Honda finally officially released the Honda NT1100 2022. Its newest sport tourer right on October 21, 2021. Comes with a new concept Honda Tourer. This motorbike uses a frame and engine similar to the 2022 Honda Africa Twin, but of course with some other differences ranging from appearance, features, to the technical specifications presented. The NT1100 comes with sleek and refined styling and delivers efficient aerodynamics with the ride position adapted for touring. The height of the front visor can be adjusted 5 levels, and wind deflectors are available above and work below to protect the rider, and of course with a variety of advanced features that are available also embedded in the motorbike. In terms of features, the Honda NT1100 2022 has a lot of advanced features that pamper the rider. For touring comfort, this motorbike has been equipped with a heater grip to cruise control. Offers luxurious space for 2 people. The seat height is set at 820 millimeters, and there's also a large passenger handle that extends from the rear rack. The exhaust design is also set low to maximize the capacity of the side box. The Honda NT1100 design is also designed to be possible to drive around the city. It is only 901 millimeters wide, and the bike can use a side box with the capacity of 33 liters on the left side and 32 liters on the right side. The lighting system is LED with DRL, which looks very futuristic. Switching to the speedometer dashboard is also very cool with the 6.5-inch TFT touchscreen with 3 display options. Not to forget, it supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity, self-canceling indicator, emergency stop signal, USB socket, center stand are standard features. Sleek design with great aerodynamics, 5-level front sail height and angle adjustment with up and down wind deflectors, standard equipment panniers, heated handles and cruise control. 6.5-inch TFT touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity, USB socket, center stand. Broadly speaking, the specifications of the Honda NT1100 2022 are very capable with very complete engine electronics, Honda selectable torque control HCEEC and wheelie control, each with 3 levels as default features. Not to forget there are 3 driving modes to choose from, namely Urban, Rain, and Tour, and 2 more customizable user modes are added. The Honda NT1100 engine has a capacity of 1048 cc's, with the configuration of 2 inline cylinders, 8 valves, for strokes, and is liquid-cooled. This motor has a power of 75 kilowatts, or about 100,577 horsepower at 7,500 revolutions per minute, while the torque itself is no less steady, reaching 104 nanometers at 6,250 revolutions per minute. In terms of the frame itself, it uses a semi-double cradle from the basic frame of the Honda Africa Twin. For its dimensions, it looks slim, but quite tall too, with an overall weight of 238 kilograms for the manual transmission and 248 kilograms for the DCT transmission. For color choices, the Honda NT1100 comes in 3 variants, namely Matte Iridium Gray Metallic, Pearl Glare White, and Graphite Black. Unfortunately, Honda Europe has not announced the price of the 2022 Honda NT1100.